This solar backup cam is so smart, it might be smarter than your spotter. ZEROXCLUB BD702 Review. Let's be honest, backing up an RV or hitching a trailer without eyes on the back is basically gambling with your bumper and your sanity. You've tried spotters, mirrors, maybe even that weird Wi-Fi cam that dropped signal the second you needed it. Frustrated yet? Welcome to the club. ZEROXCLUB, to be specific. If your mornings start with a tangle of wires and mild road rage, it's not you, it's your gear. The BD702 Backup Camera System promises zero wiring headaches, zero stress, and zero guesswork. Say goodbye to blind spots and hello to actual peace of mind. You deserve smooth rides, not stress tests. Deadlines. Campground check-ins. Towing a fifth wheel while playing Guess That Noise. Sound familiar? With every missed inch and botched backup, your blood pressure spikes. One wrong move and it's goodbye to your trailer fender, or worse, your relationship. Who knew reversing could test your marriage? Stress eats your focus. Your tools fail when you need them most. You're not just bad at parking, your gear is sabotaging you. It's 2025. You don't need to suffer through ghost signal cameras, cables that snap like Twizzlers, or tech that needs a degree to install. Enough's enough. It's time to flip the script. Now cue the music and cue the hero, the ZEROXCLUB BD702. This bad boy comes fully loaded with magnetic solar-powered cameras, a glorious 7-inch HD monitor, and dual-lens night vision magic that's so sharp it practically sees into the future. No drilling, no wiring, no cursing. It slaps right on with magnets and sticks to your metal like your ex clung to drama. Powered by sunlight, boosted by a beefy 9,600 mAh battery, and stable up to 328 feet, yeah, really, it's like giving your rig a sixth sense. Finally, a camera system that actually does what it says, without ghosting you. Whether you're towing a camper, cruising with your trailer, or wrestling with your SUV's blind spots, this setup gives you sharp as nails visuals, effortless control, and install times so fast it's borderline magic. Hook up once, drive easy forever. From solar charging to night vision to dual cam monitoring, this thing does the most. Still on the fence? Literally just slap it on and go. Click through now and dive deeper into the specs, see it in action, and read reviews from folks who were once you, skeptical, stressed, and now smooth sailing. Don't wait until your next close call or driveway disaster. The ZEROXCLUB BD702 is flying off the shelves like it's on rocket fuel, and for good reason. Thousands of RVers, truckers, and weekend warriors already swear by it. Limited stock, high demand, zero regrets. Not tech savvy? Doesn't matter. Number 12-volt port? We've got solutions. This is your sign to level up your ride. Ditch the guesswork. Ditch the stress. Tap that link, claim yours now, and park like a legend. Because confidence should come standard, and with the BD702, it finally does.